Hi, I'm Rowley with EXP Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to 5820 Mohican Lane in the village of Indian Hill. This beautiful cottage-like home is 4,348 square feet on over 3 acres of land, located on one of the most charming streets in the Central Village. Now that you're here, why don't you follow me inside? This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths. A 4-car garage, tennis court, and a large pool in the backyard. And if you'd like to know more or see more features of this great house, give me a call today. My phone number is 513-374-4798. I'd be happy to show you it.